Here's exactly how MiVisaGuide helps you file for citizenship. Start on the N-400 for $99 with free test prep included. First, a quick self-check, one plain question at a time, so you know you're on the right path before you spend a cent. If something needs a lawyer, we'll say so honestly and point you to one. Next, your free prep guide tells you exactly what to gather: your green card, travel dates, addresses, employers, with tips on where to find each one. No guessing. Create a free account so your answers save as you go. Stop anytime, come back on any device, and pick up right where you left off. Then we walk you through the N-400 one question at a time in plain language. Tap any question for a pro tip that explains what USCIS is really asking. No legal jargon. The tricky parts are handled for you. Our travel day calculator adds up your days outside the country and flags long trips, and the residence checker catches gaps in your address history, the mistakes that delay cases. Upload the documents we ask for, and our AI checks each one before you submit, so you catch problems now, not in a USCIS rejection later. Review everything. Pay your $99, which includes free citizenship test prep, and download your complete packet, your official N-400 filled in, plus step-by-step instructions to file online or by mail. The USCIS filing fee is separate, paid directly to USCIS. Your packet stays in your account to re-download anytime. MiVisaGuide is a document preparation service, not a law firm, and doesn't give legal advice. Just honest, affordable help. Start today at MiVisaGuide.com